So earlier I put a plastic container out and it is now gone, but I think it's right down there. And it was empty this morning, completely empty. So I'm going to see how much snow we have on there now. So, container. I'm going to have to measure. But that's how much snow we got so far, and you can see my car. I had barely any snow on it this morning, and now it's totally covered. So about that much snow. I'm going to have to come out and measure it in the morning. Pretty deep. And the wind's blowing pretty good. Go out front here. My hands are getting nippy. It's cold. I really can't see any snow at the moment, but it is coming down. And it gets windy on and off. So that's where we're at so far.